morning, students. Today's our topic is error in measurement. We all know about what is measurement. A measurement is a technique to measure various objects with various things. But various concept we have to reading a difference between readings, like difference between accurate value and measured value is defined as error. Okay, accurate value is a specific value, there is no error, and a measured value which can be measured by any observer is defined as measured value. So a difference between accurate value and measured value is defined as error. Errors also can be classified in three types. First, systematic error, random error, and gross error. Now we turn to systematic error. Systematic error. A systematic error is a continuous error which can be generated by various phenomena of errors like instrumental error, imperfectional in experimental technique, and personal error. What is instrumental error? Our instrument should not take a reading correctly. Like a thermometer cannot take a measurement in Fahrenheit or degree Celsius scale is defined as instrumental error. This is error caused to our instrument. Okay, defined as instrumental error. Imperfection in experimental techniques. When an observer cannot take its observation techniques correctly, those errors are defined as imperfection in technique. A meaning of imperfection: the observer cannot be performed to talk about the experimental technique. Let us consider a physical instrument, vernier calipers. All the students know about the vernier calipers. A scale which can be measured the accurate value of various objects with thickness. A person who cannot learn about the procedure of vernier calipers, so it also generates experimental techniques. You cannot know what is the experimental method. Now a personal error. It is a fundamental error which can be generated due to observer. The observer means whenever you write a reading should totally incorrect is defined as personal error. It is also a form of personal error. So the systematic errors, the meaning is a continuous form of error which can be generated by an observer is defined as systematic error. Now we turn to random error. Let us consider a various observations like A1, A2, A3, an. So various observations can obtain a total random error should means as A1 plus A2 plus an upon n is defined as systematic randomly errors. So the value of random error should represent summation a I upon n, I equals to 1 to I equals to n. The variation of I should move from a position 1 to a position of nth position. So it is defined as a form of random error. Now we turn to gross error. A total error generated over a scenario of an object is defined as gross error. The gross error is a technique which generated by, suppose we have to observe a thermal temperature of a person is 37.4 in a thermal machine. Whenever we write in a notebook, we can read as a 39.4. It is a gross error. Means whole observation process becomes perfectly, but at the last of the point we can perform some mistake is defined as the error of gross error. So today's our topic is theoretical error. Error in measurement. Fundamentally I have to clear all basic concepts like accurate and measured value. Accurate means perfect value and measured value means measured by an object. So a difference between accurate value and measured value is defined as error, and its type also continuous defined. Systematic error is a continuous error generated by a person. Instrumental like imperfection in technique. Personal error. Random error means a specific point should be selected and a specific point should take to a random method. And last is gross error, and a whole error should be generated by an object. Okay, thank you.